Elderly woman dead after driver swerves from pothole in St. James. 17-year-old boy shot and killed in St. Andrew. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Police investigators have launched a manhunt for a gunman who shot and killed a 17-year-old boy along Dilpat Crescent in St. Andrew on Tuesday. The deceased is Nabinko Douglas alias Jr. of Dilpat Crescent. Reports are that shortly before 7 a.m., Douglas was standing along the roadway in his community when he was pounced upon by an armed man who shot the youngster. Douglas reportedly ran into the yard where he collapsed as a result of his injuries. He was assisted by a resident to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established for the gun attack.